To thrive in life, let's begin by understanding its essence. Life is a combination of two circles, the circle of concern and the circle of influence. Circle of concern. Encompassing elements beyond our direct control, this circle includes everything we may be concerned about but have little or no control over. External factors such as the economy, weather, or others' behavior fall into this realm. For example, dwelling on past regrets, which cannot be changed, or worrying about the future, as seen in concerns about bad weather. Circle of influence. This circle represents aspects of our lives that we have control over or can influence. Personal behavior, choices, attitudes, and efforts to solve problems fall within this circle. For example, your present, hobbies, and various aspects that are within your control. Between these two circles is a delicate string determining your success or failure. Focusing on the circle of concern leads to a reactive mindset, where external circumstances overwhelm. It perpetuates a victim mentality, fostering feelings of failure due to the perceived lack of chances or opportunities. Whether it's financial constraints or external factors like weather affecting your mood, the circle of concern can make you feel limited. In contrast, directing your focus to the circle of influence cultivates a proactive mindset. Here, you don't wait for opportunities, you create them. You become the architect of your destiny, making your own fortune and taking control of your life. Embracing this proactive mindset empowers individuals to take responsibility for their actions and work on areas they can control. Join us on this exploration, shifting from reactivity to proactivity, understanding the dynamics between these circles, and unlocking the potential within to forge a path of self-control and success. Your journey starts here, where you steer the course of your destiny. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn notifications, share it with someone you really love, and tell us what do you think in the comment down below so that we can support one another. And what is success? As Aristotle said, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. So, in order to succeed in life, it's not a blessing or something that suddenly happens by coincidence. To achieve success, you need to consistently engage in specific actions, which are directly referred to as habits. As the maxim goes, our character, basically, is a composite of our habits. Sow a thought, reap an action. Sow an action, reap a habit. Sow a habit, reap a character. Sow a character, reap a destiny. But how do you define those actions? By your desire. Many people have dreams, ambitions, and aspirations buried in the depths of their hearts. We all want to change our lives and make them better, yet only a few are ready to work for it. Not because we don't want to, but because we are weak. Let me make it clear for you. If you want to know how your life will look like in the future, the answer is straightforward. My dear friend, it is the result of your habits today, and even today is the result of your habits in the past. It's that simple. So, to succeed in life, here's the recipe. First, focus on the circle of influence and build good habits. With a little bit of time, well, maybe more than a little bit, you can then achieve success in life. So, we've been discussing success in life. But how can you actually achieve that? Don't panic, my dear friend. Here's the answer. On paper, jot down what you can control in your life and what you can't. Write everything, your thoughts, ideas, ambitions, people around you, every single detail in your life. When you finish, read them. In the first circle of concern, burn it. Throw it away, get rid of it, not just on paper but also in your mind. The second one, keep it and start thinking about how to make it bigger and bigger. Ask yourself what more you can do. Learn a new language, practice a sport, read a book, write your thoughts, and so on. Just imagine the opportunities that could open up if you start learning Spanish, for example. You could teach it, open a channel about teaching Spanish, and earn a lot of money. Or you could try learning finance. Imagine how much money you could make by studying about money. Don't be limited. Break those barriers around your mind. Step out of your comfort zone and do something. To build a habit, you need the intersection of three necessary elements: knowledge, what to do and why, skill, how to do it, and desire, motivation. Of course, you need time to build a habit. We'll delve deeper into this in the next videos. But first, you need to set a goal, and be careful. It should be a do goal. Many of us want to be billionaires, artists, soccer players, academically superior. Many want to be but don't want to do. In order to be a billionaire, you might think you have to work a lot, wait a lot, suffer a lot, and so on. Your mind will try to convince you that you are too tired to do all that, not because it's real, but because it has been a belief passed down through the ages. Humans used to suffer a lot to get food, find a place to sleep, and do various jobs, and even though we didn't live in that time, we carry it in our genetics. So, we decide to give up before even trying. Those few who try may stop after 1 or 2 obstacles, at least just one. 1 in billions will continue and succeed, not because they are lucky or blessed, but because they knew exactly what to do and why, how, and were motivated for that. Their goal wasn't just to be a billionaire. It was to make money, build a business, provide services, invest, build estates, always aiming to do actions all the time. They may have failed once or twice or so many times, but they didn't care because their goal was to give everything, work with their highest energy, and employ everything to work. Another rule: set actions, not results. If you look at billionaires who truly achieve success, they don't stop because they're always in action, doing what they want. For example, let's say you are overweight and want to get rid of it. If you aim to lose weight, you might lose some pounds and immediately stop. This is what the majority do. They don't build good habits. They just want results, thinking they will get rid of that weight immediately, which is impossible. Even if they lose it, they'll regain it. But if you aim to build good habits, eating clean and healthy, drinking lots of water, practicing sports, and building a healthy life, you won't care if you lose weight or not because you're happy when you achieve your goals. You'll give more and get good results without even recognizing. So, be careful and define between do and be. Your goal needs to be do, not be. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you think. And if you like the video, please give it thumbs up, share it with someone you really love. And subscribe and turn notifications so you don't miss any of our video. We will mention the details in later video, so you are always welcome in our community. Bye.